In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to import any of my brush sets and canvases into Procreate. This video is intended for anyone who's purchased one of my brush packs. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Hello and welcome to Color with Kendi. I wanted to point out that while you can download the brush sets and the canvases onto a desktop or a phone first and then transfer them to your iPad, that tends to be a little bit of a finicky process and sometimes it doesn't work so well. So my recommendation is to do your downloads straight onto your iPad, and that way it's a lot easier to import. In order to download onto your iPad, I recommend that you open the email that you will have received if you've purchased any of my packs. Now I'm opening Safari on my iPad. I recommend Safari. It works a lot better than Chrome for this purpose. And I have my inbox open, and this is the email that you should receive if you've purchased any of my packs. It will say that it's from Color with Kendi, and it will tell you the name of the brush set that you have purchased. So just click on the email to open it, and then you will see a button that says Go to Downloads page, and you can just click on that, and the Downloads page will open. If you can't find the email for some reason, if you're using Gmail, make sure that you check the Promotions tab. Sometimes it ends up there, and also check the spam folder because sometimes it ends up there. Now, if you still can't find it, type into the search bar Kendi, so Kendi, and it should come up at that point. Now let's go back to that Downloads page. So on the Downloads page, you may see a button right here that says Download All, or you might not see it. It depends on your iPad. Sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't. I don't recommend using this option, but I will show you how to use it later on in the video. What I do recommend is that you download each item individually. I find that it works a lot better and you'll have fewer technical difficulties. On the Downloads page at the very top, you'll have some billing information, and then you will have video instructions and tutorial link. This is a really important link, and this will be different for each brush set. And this is where I will put all of the brush tutorials on. So if you ever need any help with any of the brush sets, you're confused about the brushes, you need a little bit help trying to figure them out, this is where you can go. I will have step-by-step tutorials for you there. And this is where you can download all of the items. So let's start out with downloading a brush set. So this is the pencils brush pack. If you have purchased another set, this will be a different set, but this is a brush set file. So a brush set file is a type of file that can be opened in Procreate, and it will have all the brushes in one set, not individually, but as a set. So let's download it together. Tap on download. It will ask you if you want to download the brush set. Click on download again. And then if you're in Safari, what you'll see is that you will see this button kind of move a little bit. Tap on it, and this is where your downloads will be. Then tap on this search icon, and it will take you to your downloads page. So this is where your brush set is now located. In order to import this into Procreate, all I have to do is tap on it, and it should automatically import into Procreate. And then in order to use this brush set, just open up a canvas. I'm opening up a canvas that is 8 by 10, any size will work. And then you will see that new brush set right at the top of your brush library. It will be right at the top, and you will be able to see all of the brushes together as one set. And in order to use the brush, just tap on it and use it. This is a dual color brush, so you see two colors. And it's as easy as that. And if you want to move that brush set around, you can do that too. You can just hold it and drag it to wherever you want. So if I want to put it right here, I can do that. So that is importing the brush set. Now let's move on to importing a Procreate canvas. So I'm going to go back to my downloads page, and the next two items that I'm going to download are the canvases. So all of my brush packs come with a blank canvas. This is a paper texture canvas that matches your brush set. And then there's also brush tutorial canvas. So this canvas is for anyone who wants to follow along with my brush tutorials. For every brush set, I have detailed brush tutorials walking you through every single brush, and we will use it together. It's step by step, and it's really useful. And if you'd like to follow along, you can get the link right up here. Now I'm going to download both of the canvases, so I'm just going to tap on download, and that will download the first canvas. And I'm going to download the second one, and download, and you go back to that icon right there, go back to the search icon right there, and you will see both of the canvases right there. In order to import the canvas into Procreate, it's the same thing. Tap, and it will import. And now I'm going to go back to my files, and I'm going to tap on this one as well and open it. So now both of them have been imported. If I go to my gallery, I can see one here and one here. It's as simple as that. And in order to use these canvases, you just need to go into them and start using them. Now, in order to learn how to use the canvases properly, I do have videos on that, so I suggest watching those. So this one is the blank canvas. It's a paper texture canvas. And the other one, let me just show you. So this one is the demo canvas, and this is where we're going to go through the tutorial together. So if you want to do that, if you want to watch additional videos, watch the videos that are available in the link on the downloads page. So each brush set will have its own individual link. So do check that out, and that way you can learn more about how to use these canvases. Now the last thing that we're going to download is the reference sheet. So if you scroll down towards the bottom, you will see the reference sheet. It is an image file, and you just need to tap on download. You're getting the gist here. It's all about tapping on download and then checking out the downloads right here. Tap on that. And this is the reference sheet for the pencil set. You can save this wherever you'd like, and you can refer to it again and again whenever you need to figure out the differences between all the brushes. It's a handy guide just to look at, and each brush set does come with its own reference sheet. And I would recommend even printing it so you have a copy of it to look at while you are painting. So that is that. That is how you download all of the files that are available to you. I'm going to go back to the downloads page, and I just wanted to mention that if you're still having any trouble, if this process is not working as smoothly for you, you have any questions or concerns, my email address is right there. And I'm more than happy to help. I will get back to you within 2 business days, so you can definitely contact me. Now, I wanted to mention that there is another way to download everything. As I said, if you see this option, you may or may not see it by the way, but if you do see this option, download all, if you tap here, you will get 2 options. Download as zip and save to Dropbox. The save to Dropbox option has been a bit finicky for me. It doesn't work every time, so I would not recommend that. And it's a bit more complicated to import from Dropbox. It's a bit of a process. I would recommend tapping on download as zip. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I tap on download as zip, it will be a zip file, same thing. Tap on download, and then it will end up in your downloads right here. And I will tap on the search icon, and then it will open up the downloads area, and you'll see the zip file here. In order to unzip it on your iPad, all you have to do is tap on it once, let it do its thing, and then tap on the folder, and you will see all of the files right here. And you can import them into Procreate same way by tapping on it, and it will import into Procreate. If for some reason you're tapping on the item and it's not directly importing into Procreate, you may need to select Procreate as the app from the menu that you see. I can't show you that because on my iPad it directly imports into Procreate, but if you don't see that direct import, just ask it to import into Procreate and it should work. Anyway, that covers everything I wanted to cover in this video. To learn more, make sure that you check out the additional brush tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your purchase. Bye!